basically done with the entire lesson, except for the fact that now we can take the things we understand about similarity and we can transfer it to anything now. Notice, this one's asking for perimeter. Well, if I have two shapes that are similar, everything about them is similar. Their perimeters are similar. Their areas are similar. Their, if they're three-dimensional shapes, their volumes would be similar. Everything is. So it works out no matter how you look at it. You just have to make sure that you match things up correctly. Okay? So we're going to talk about similar perimeters. All right, here's a problem. We're going to take, and we're going to find out what this town wants to do with this swimming pool. An Olympic swimming pool as a rectangle with a length of 50 and a width of 25. The new pool will be a similar shape as the Olympic pool, but it will have a length of 40. Find the perimeter of the new pool. Well, I'm just going to draw a new pool off to the side. And we know that they're similar shapes right now because they told us they were. But what I'm going to do is try to put the numbers from the new pool where they should go. They said the length of the new one, so the length needs to match the 50s along this side, so the length of this new one's got to be along this side. That's 40 meters. Then they said that the perimeter of this shape, they want us to find the perimeter of this shape. So our perimeter, but we don't know what that is until we have the perimeter of this shape.
Perimeter means distance around.
So the distance around our shape, well, we got to have those sides. Well, wait a minute. It's a rectangle. We got to go back to our chapter 7 where we learned about all those shapes. Opposite sides are the same. They're congruent. So 50, 25, and now let's add those up. So 50 plus 50 plus 25 plus 25 better be 150. So the perimeter on this shape is 150 meters. Okay, so now here's how it's going to work. We have the perimeter of the one shape. We're looking for the perimeter on our shape. We have a length and we have a length. Those are the numbers we're going to be able to use to find our perimeter. So watch this. This is as slick as it gets. I'm going to go a fraction equals a fraction. And I'm going to pick my x right here. So x goes with 150. I like to draw lines to stuff. Then, because I chose x from that picture, I have to pick the 40 with the 50. So 40 will be first, then 50 will be next. And I don't know why my board hates me. We will cross multiply. That's 50 times x equals
6,000?
150 times 40, which is 6,000. Is that right?
Yeah, I think so.
So 50x equals 6,000. Divide by 50. And x is?
Gonna do it in your head?
Oh yeah.
120.
120
I know you
should
can.
be 12. So 120. So our perimeter equals 120 meters for our shape. And that's kind of this is the whole reason we do these types of problems, so that we can figure out items on real life problems.